Samantha, and I'm coming to you with day 14 of 30 Inks 30 Days. Today we're going to be using Diamine Blizzard, which is a shimmer ink. I didn't know what pen I wanted to put this in, and then I have a clean pen pile, and I decided that I would use this Franklin Christoph because they kind of go together. This is a Franklin Christoph. I think it's a model 46. Yeah. I don't think you're going to be able to see it, but it's the 46. They engrave it on the cap. I believe this model is being discontinued or reimagined. I don't remember. I know Franklin Christoph is discontinuing some of their lineup and coming out with new things, so I think the 45 and the 46 are among those things. I don't remember. But this is one this was a collaboration with Gourmet Pens, and I forget what the name is. I keep wanting to call it the Lake of Shining Waters because I've been so entrenched in Anne of Green Gables, but I don't remember what its actual name is. The material is freaking stunning, though. It's like blue-green. It's got glitter in it. It's purple. It's everything. So I thought that this would be a nice pen to use this Blizzard ink in. So that's what we're going to do. Oops, I haven't inked it. I'm actually really excited about one of the other inks that we've got coming up. Oh, come on. Hello? Are we not filling? That's rude. Why aren't we filling? Why are we being rude? Yeah, we didn't get any ink in there. Okay, this is gonna be alright. I guess we get to use our syringe early. I wonder how this compares to Glacier. I don't remember off the top of my head how similar they are. We can look at that up, of course. Save that syringe for later. Okay, we've primed the feed. I have a precarious situation over here, but okay. Okay. I think we're good now. Let that do its chill thing. Okay. Let's get started. We have, here's what the ink, actually we can compare these very easily. So Glacier is actually a really light blue, and this is like a dark blue slate gray. So they are pretty different. Lots of silver shimmer though, really nice. Okay, so we have, oops. It's 30 inks, 30 days, day 14. Oops, yeah, April 2024. Okay. Okay, cool. Writing sample complete. Or at least write little. At least like a few things are. We will do our swatches now. Alright, so here's what this page looks like. This is a really pretty shade of blue. And I have a medium knit. I didn't write the... I'm all over the place. I'm sorry. It's been a couple days since I filmed a video. Okay, let's go ahead and... Oh, the lighting is terrible. Okay. Zoom in a touch. Okay, 30... 30 April 2024, day 14, Diamine Blizzard, and the pen is the Franklin Gourmet Pens Model 46, medium. Like I said, I don't remember the color of... I don't remember what the colorway is called, but it's stunning. Writing sample. Yesterday, I beat Evil West on evil mode and got 100% all achievements. Thank you, stock. Probably isn't even watching this, but deserves a thank you, because without Stonkers, I would not have done that. Here's our card, by the way. I forgot to show you this. I think I forgot to show the card. I don't remember. One of the days I forgot to show the card, like, completely. So here's the last few days. We have Rainbow's End. We have Walnut. Merry and Bright. And then Lavender Frost. I don't remember which day I forgot, so there's the last few. We do already have our syringe, so let's just go ahead and splat, 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 splat. It kind of has, it's a blue that has a little bit of like a green tinge to it. I think it's like a muted, dusty, blue, greenish sort of thing. It's very pretty. It's very pretty, and I love it. And there we go. Splat, 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 splat. Try to see if we can get that to move around a little bit. Where's my... Oh, here. This is also still drying, so we will probably have to wait till tomorrow to see it. Oh, I forgot. I did complete the calendar pages, except I forgot to... I haven't done this day yet. So I guess we'll do this day, and then at the start of tomorrow's video, I will show you the halfway point of the calendar pages, I guess. Because I did do it, but I don't want to get ink everywhere, so we'll look at that tomorrow. Yeah, I don't like this page as a whole, like just as the series, kind of meh. I don't think the colors, like some of the colors go together, but some of them really just don't. This is a little bit better. I like these three together, or even this whole page. I don't know. I don't like how like dark this is. It's dark, even though there's some bright and some light and some in between. It just seems drab, if you know what I mean, even with all the sparkle and the shimmer. So anyway, yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you again tomorrow with day 15 of 30 Inks 30 Days. Take care. Love you. Bye.